As we step into the new year, before we get too far, I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to all of our clients. Your support, your trust, your partnership, and your insights have really set up Leader's Edge for some phenomenal growth. We at the Leader's Edge remain committed to helping organizations and individuals to stop wasting potential. Many of our investments in our areas of focus in 2024 are helping ensuring we are doing that while also delivering to you best-in-class services and products. While we're incredibly proud of the progress we've made, we know that it is an ongoing journey and will continue to work to ensure that we are your preferred partner in the market. A quick highlight of a few things you can anticipate from us. We have some new programming focused on inclusive leadership. We are also offering some of our signature programs such as Excel and Leadership Experience for Black Women twice as frequently as we have in the past. Finally, we are also launching our much anticipated alumni program. More news is coming on that soon, so please stay tuned. Once again, I just wanted to express my gratitude to all of you who have offered your insights, your partnership, your feedback, your support to help us continue to be the best partner for you. If anything I've mentioned in this video is interesting and you want to learn more, please do not hesitate to reach out.